Hi buddy, welcome to Answers Q. In this video, we'll be seeing some free online courses to learn SolidWorks software. And after completing some of these courses, you can also get a free certificate from the platform which is offering it. So before we see what are those courses and how you can take them for free, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out. And you can also visit answersq.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, special offers that are running in different e-learning websites, job updates, internships, workshops and other online events. So you have a lot of useful resources out there in answersq.com website. So make use of it. And I just want to tell you something about Coursera here. Coursera is a very good e-learning platform. You can learn whatever you want, like data science, business, IT, personal development, engineering. So you can learn whatever you want in Coursera. And the best thing about Coursera is all their programs are offered by top companies and universities like Google, Duke University, Stanford University. So the content will be very good in the programs that are offered by Coursera. So if you want to learn anything in Coursera, what you can do is you can go for their monthly plan. What a lot of people are doing is they are buying individual programs. So they are paying somewhere between 3,000 to 6,000 per month for one particular course or specialization which they choose. But what you can do instead is you can go for Coursera Plus monthly offer, and you just have to pay 4,306 per month, and with this you will get access to the entire Coursera platform. You can access anything that you want in Coursera. You can access their 3,000 plus courses, projects, specializations, professional certification programs, everything. So with this offer you can save a lot of money and you can develop your skills as well. So make use of this offer if you want to learn anything in Coursera. And if you want to support me in any way, you can just make use of my link which I have given in description and take this Coursera Plus monthly offer. So I hope you will find this useful. Now let's move on and see the free online courses that are available to learn about SolidWorks software. So first one in the list is Learn SolidWorks from Basic to Advanced, which is offered by Eduvanics platform. So I hope you all know about Eduvanics. It is also one of the growing e-learning platforms. And you can see here this course has a very good rating of 4.1 from 972 ratings, and it has been recently updated as well. And you have 48 lectures and you have 10 hours of content for this course, and the language of instruction will be English, so you do not have to worry about the language here. And it's absolutely free. You do not have to pay for anything. And after completing this course you can also get a free certificate from Eduvanics for this particular SolidWorks course. And here you can see what are the things that will be covered in this course, like what you will learn, skills you can gain. So if you just scroll down, you can also see the course content. So you have two modules here. Module 1 is part sketch, module 2 is part feature. So if you just click on it, you can see the exact video titles here. These are the videos which you will be watching and learning about SolidWorks. So part sketch, 2D text point, 2D trim, 2D offset mirror, 2D rapid sketch. So most of these are features that are available in SolidWorks software. You can learn about those features here. So all these different topics about SolidWorks will be covered in this particular course, which is offered by Eduvanics platform. So it is a long course. You have 10 hours content, as I said earlier. So make use of this one here. And the next one is SolidWorks course Turn 2D sketches into 3D models. So you can know what you will learn from the course title itself. You will learn about making 3D models, and it is a very good feature to learn. And here you can see what are things that will be covered. So introduction section, practical work section, and then you have assemblies, motion and drawing section. Under that you have 4 lectures, and under practical work you have 3 lectures, and you can also see what are those lectures as well. And this is a short 1 hour course. You just need to spend 1 hour to complete this course, and after completing the course you can also get a certificate like this. Let me just click on this sample certificate. So you will get a certificate like this after completing this SolidWorks course, and you have 14 lectures for this one. And if you just go to overview, you can see about this course, like what you will get and what are the requirements. Of course, if you want to learn about SolidWorks, you need SolidWorks software. So make use of it. This is the second course in the list. And the third one is SolidWorks Essentials. So this course is free of cost. You do not have to pay for this in Udemy. So if you're a beginner, you can start with this course. You will learn all the basics that you will ever need to know in SolidWorks from this course. And this is a 6 hour 36 minutes course. You have a lot of content. So make use of it. It has a good rating as well, 4.5. And here you can see what are things that you will be learning: environment and interface overview, starting, sketching and 2D commands, advanced 2D features, modification commands, 3D designing. So all these things will be covered in this particular course, which is offered by Udemy. So make use of it. This is the third free course in the list. Only thing is you will not get a certificate, but you can access the course for free of cost and learn. And the next one is 3D Experience EduSpace. So this is actually a platform which was developed by Dassault Systems. So Dassault Systems is a developer of CATIA, SolidWorks and many more engineering softwares and designing softwares. So let's see what they have in the store for us. So you can learn about CATIA, SolidWorks, Enovia, Delmia, Simulia, GeoVia. As I said, you can learn about all the Dassault Systems softwares in this platform. And now for this video, we'll cover SolidWorks. So let me just choose SolidWorks here. And once you choose SolidWorks, you can see the courses and the learning paths that are available for you to learn about SolidWorks. So you have Perform as 3D Experience SolidWorks, Perform as a 3D Creator courses, 3D Sculptor course, and you have Perform as a Collaborative Designer for SolidWorks. And you can choose the course in which you want to enroll in. For example, let's say you want to take this Perform as a Collaborative Designer. Just click on it and you'll be going to the course page like this, and these are the course contents. So you have 3 modules basically: explore the collaborative business innovator role, collaborative industry innovator role, and designer for SolidWorks role. And after completing the first module, you can take an exam and get this 3D Experience Collaborative Business Innovator Associate badge from Dassault Systems. You can see here there are 2 exams. After completing the first module, you can take this exam and get this badge from Dassault Systems. And then you have 2 more learning modules here. You can complete these 2 modules and you can take another exam and get this 3D Experience Collaborative Designer for SolidWorks badge from Dassault Systems. So you can just click on register and create your account, and then you can just enroll in this course. So we have seen a lot of resources to learn SolidWorks for free. Make use of it. And if you want to get more updates about free online courses, just subscribe to AnswersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out.